Yeah, but that's
Welcome in the kitchen. This is the third of our barbecue videos.
Transportation.
The third in the series of our barbecue dinner videos. We're going to do a potato casserole or funeral potatoes or it's got lots of different names. Funeral potatoes is probably the most common name, but it's just a potato casserole. And I'm using real potatoes, not hash browns. And I don't want that knife. I want my good potato peeling knife. I'm going to peel us up some potatoes here.
I'd say Vanderbilt the Whopper.
These potatoes were dirty. And I'm going to use them. You want them these in little bite-sized cubes. So this is the best way to do this. Just like that. And then we've got them in French fries like this. And then you just come down through here and slice them like this. Okay? Just like that. So, just like so. So let me get these potatoes done.
You know what gets me is these people that go to school.
And love my French fry cutter. It's in my Amazon store.
Big student lines.
For those of you who don't have one, a lot of you all I noticed have ordered them. And I do thank you for all your Amazon orders. I get a few cents. It doesn't cost you all any more at all. But if it's a product that I have in my store that I use, I get just a few cents out of it when you all order something. And I do appreciate it.
I'm good.
So I do thank you. That's just one way to support me. And watch all the way to the end. That helps support me in my endeavors and helps feed my family. I wish you all could come eat with us. I do. I really do. Some of y'all have commented you'd like to come and eat. Well, I'd love to have you. I would love to have you. I'd like to do a big old cook and have everybody. But you know, I just don't think that's feasible. I would probably be a nervous wreck. If I did that, so. Trying to get all the green off of these. It won't hurt you. I've heard people say that it was poison. It is not. I've eaten many a green potato and I'm still here with you. That just means they've been in the sun. I used to ask my daddy why it was green. He'd say, it's just sunburnt. It'll be all right. And we ate them all the time. Comes Mr. Andy again. He just came through from one door to the other. I can remember growing up, I can still hear them saying, come in or out, quit slamming that door. It was a constant with us In or out, in or out. It's a beautiful day. It's still summer, technically, but fall's a coming. I know a lot of people like fall. Fall is a beautiful season, but all in all, it just tells me winter's coming, and I'm not a winter girl. I don't like the winter, so I start dreading winter when fall gets here. I do. So let me get us a dish to put our potatoes in here. We'll use this bright cherry lemon dish right here. And I need a big bowl to stir them up in. Stir them up. All right, now let's get our potatoes cut up. I'm going to put them right here in this bowl. Let me slice these again. Okay, we got all of our potatoes ready. Move y'all back so you can see. They're right here in this bowl. Put some salt in there. I'm going to put some pepper in there. And there we go. Salt and peppered them. Now then, I'm going to add 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, or maybe just 1. I'll see how it looks. We'll play that by ear. Let's see what we got going on here. You can use cream of mushroom. You can use cream of celery. And we're going to add some sour cream. We need at least about 2 cups. That's just about 1. That's all that's in that one. So let me open up this one. We'll get us some more of this one right here. A couple big scoops, and then we'll stir this up and see what it looks like. Oh, we got to add us some chives. That looks good, doesn't it? About that many. Y'all know I just wing it when I get in here. I believe that'll be good right there. I don't believe we'll need any more. So soup or sour cream. I believe that'll be just fine. All right. Okie doke. There we go. Now then, you can put this in the refrigerator just like this. You cannot freeze it like this. Those potatoes will not freeze like that, okay? You have to blanch them first if you're going to freeze them. Oh, I forgot the cheese, y'all. I'm just ding-headed here. I'm like, I knew I was forgetting something. All right. We'll just put it on top. That's what we'll do. Got it all shredded up here. So we'll just put it on the top of the potatoes. All right, can y'all see this good? Here we go. This is our sharp cheddar. I'm just going to coat this really well with this cheese. Now then, there we go. We won't have to use our crackers on the top. No, we won't. We've got our cheese for the top. I believe that'll be better anyway. I do. It's good, y'all. Love that cheese. It's that Cabot Seriously Sharp white cheddar. It's really good. Right, here's what it is. Can y'all see that? It says Seriously Sharp cheddar cheese. All right, I'm going to set this over here. It's not quite ready to go in the oven yet. Not quite time. We'll get this cleaned up and come back and we'll finish up our beans. Okay, here's our potatoes. Look at those yummy potatoes. Yummy, yummy. I'll check them, make sure they're done. They look done, don't they? Look at this. Y'all want to bite? Open wide. These are good. Y'all remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.